Can we check Instagram notes history? Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow this step. So open up your Instagram app first, and once you open up Instagram, you should be finding this interface. So from here, when you head over to your profile in the bottom right, and open up your profile page, and when you head over to the three dots and the lines at the top, and then from here, go to your activity section and go to notes option. Here you'll be finding your notes that you provided in a post. So if you have added note in a post, a reel, it will remain visible for 3 days. So if you're trying to look for the notes that you've shared on post and reels only, you can look it up here by following up this method and check your Instagram note history here for inside 3 days. But if you're trying to look for the notes history which is on your profile like this one right here, unfortunately you can't directly access the history of this note as they are designed to disappear after 24 hours. But you can see who liked or replied to them, and you can review your account activity for other actions. So Instagram notes are something that are only visible for 24 hours and then disappears. So unfortunately we cannot check Instagram note history for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.